Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Life in the Province. So my sister and me, we're gonna do a hike. We're gonna go to the mountains, back and forth. She's there at the back. Yeah, hi guys, Kapoy. She said it's tired. It's not been 10 minutes yet. We need to do exercise so that we will be fit and healthy. So, just me and here. Kira man doon. So there's a lot of bamboo here. There's a lot of bamboo. Sugar cane, guys. Everywhere. Wherever we go, lots of sugar cane. Ito nanguha migkuan, lumboy. So I've been to this place many times. So we're not going too far because we don't know the way. So maybe we lost. We lost. So my sister is very silent. She said it's tired. So I've been do my workout this morning. It's been 2 days now since I not do my workout, so I'm so happy that I do my workout this morning. So right now we're gonna do a hike, walking. Huh? Okay, sukan ka. My sister saw some pepper, spicy pepper. There's some mango in here, but it's no fruit yet. So lots of mango tree in here. And bananas. It's so silent here, guys. Just me on here because there's no other houses in here. Oh, guava. This guava there. Diri mi ito nang piya og mangga. This is where we got some mango. Sugar cane. There's one house on this side, but it's a little bit far from here where we at. Diri man mi ato nang waglumboy, diba? Unahan layo pa. We also go to this place with my friend. We get some java plum leaf to put some tobacco on it. Oh, siya katanan. Ari babaw, na may kuan diri good babaw. Chickens, there's chickens. Some hens there. Oh, there's a lot of guava. It's not ripe yet. Oh, it's nice in here. There's lots of guava in here, guys. Guava. Oh, there's a lot of cassava plant there. This is belongs to our neighbor. But they don't have a house here, but they own a house not far from our place. There's a papaya and banana too. Lumboy ba na? There's a lot of jaba plum leaf there. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Papaya. And it's too short. Almost same my height. Oh, I love papaya, guys. And there's a goat in here. This is belongs to our neighbor. There's some goats. Nice here. Oh, we're gonna get some guava, guys. To, buntod. So nice in here. We're gonna look if there's a guava in there. My sister is a little bit far from me. There's a lot of guava tree, but the fruit is not ready yet. It's not ready. I've been looking. Oh, it's nice in here. So look at that view. Very nice. They have some guava here, but it's not ready yet to eat. I'm gonna go down. My sister is there down there. She's been looking for guava too. I show you guys the guava. It's not ready yet. It's nice because it's not so hot today. So, look, kadagan ako kamursiko, mingga. Look at my leggings. There's lots of weeds. Naay kuan. Asa daw? Balik pa diri no. Sige ra tay balik un. Look at the guava, guys.
Fresh from the mountain.
fresh from the tree.
Oh, from the tree.
Fresh from the mountain. There's a lot of guava tree there, but the fruit is not ripe yet. It's not ready. Beautiful mountains. Oh, there's a people there at that mountains there. There's a people there walking. Maybe they're gonna go to their farm. They have a lot of banana on that mountains there. So some of our neighbor owns that property also. That mountains there, one of the property. She owns it. So we're gonna go far, guys. So I've been this place already.
Asa ka katong di ay?
Buntod.
Ka?
Ito na may mga kuan rin, mga. Oo. Saan? Tabi-tabi. Balik na lang ta. We go back. Nala?
Huh?
We go back.
Gani, mingo.
Alon tayo laka timirian, laka lo sa mayon ba kay kuan dito. Kana lang daghan ta. Kari naman kuko dito babaw kay wa miglumboy. So I've been to this place but I'm a little bit nervous because just me and my sister. Show them the guava, Dominga. Show them.
It's in my pocket.
Gani, show them ba the ripe guava. So that's the ripe guava, guys. She got some guava there. Day ko ani ko day be, palihog day be, videohi ko day be, kalimot ko pa video. Kanang patay sa nuni. What happened to your leggings? There's a lot of thorns, guys, from the weeds. So we're gonna take it off when we're home. I have some, but it's not stick on my pants. It's okay. That's part of hiking. So we're gonna go to the other side. We just not continue going to that side there because it's a little bit silent and we're scared, guys. My sister's scared because she told me that maybe we got lost. But I know that place already because I've been there before with my friend. So we're gonna go back to the house and look at the view. There's a lot of bamboo tree. That one. So we're gonna go back to the other side. Yeah, she eats some guava. Some ripe guava, guys, fresh from the tree. Fresh. Guava is very good for your body. There's a lot of vitamins and nutrients. It's a little bit hard. It's not really soft. That one is Java plum tree. Ito sa gigian na to. Mostly there's a lot of people passed by on this place when it's morning time and afternoon because some of them they have some farm above over there at the mountains and they're gonna pass this place here. But right now it's like 11 a.m. so there's no one in here. So it'd be like 3 p.m. since people will gonna come here because they're gonna feed their goats and animals, some carabaos, some of our neighbor there is gonna go to his farm. We have 2 carabaos. Nigag kabaw, okay. Duha naman kabuok, muha na tanan. He owns that 2 carabao there. One of our neighbor. Sugarcane again. So most of our neighbor here, they own some animals like cows, carabaos, goats. That's the way they do for living, and they gonna sell it, make money on it, profit. We also have some goats. We bought some goats and it's not ready yet to sell. So maybe about by December, we're gonna sell it. Still small, guys, to sell. And also my youngest sister, she gonna have some piglets soon. They're gonna raise some piglets again because last time they already sell it last June, fiesta here in our place. So we're the one who bought her 2 pigs, and also my mama. We bought 1 pig for my mama. The weather today is very nice because it's not so hot. So it's good. We do walking today because it's not really hot and there's a little bit of wind. I'm not even feel tired. I enjoy this. I miss doing this because it's been a long time since I've been do hiking. We do hiking, we do walking, but it's not like maybe 10 minutes most. I love going to the mountains, hiking, because it's like a stress reliever for me. I feel so relaxed when I saw the mountains, the natures. I can hear the voice of the birds, some crickets. Ayaw kay kuon. Wala man na dira, ayaw na diyo. Libo na na. Hindi ko diyo kay kuon, libo na na. Kabalo agyan. She wants to go to that place there, but I'm a little bit, I not want to go there because looks like there's a lots of weeds, and most of our neighbor, one of our neighbor been living there before. They're not live there anymore. They transferred somewhere in Cebu. So we go to the other side. Katong ditapas nga kampo ba adto ta?
Ay, dire?
So we go to the other side that where they do some, there's a signal, fast signal. That's where we got our signal before when we have no internet in our place. This is that place where we're gonna go. Dari upikilid ara kagi. So this area here, they already cut the sugar cane. This is a big area for sugar cane field. So they already cut the sugar cane and they gonna replant again. As you can see, they gonna burn this one and they gonna replant it. Replant again. Kalisod kay agian. It's hard to walk on this area here. Some of our neighbors, they live here. Natiyo, way manok. Manok baligya. I asked them if they have some chickens, native chickens for sale. They said that no available, sold out. Oh, papaya guys, ripe papaya there. Kinatapusan din, balik rata. Balik rata sa balay.
Ha?
Ito sa kinatapusan din, balik na ta.
Asa kinatapusan?
Pinaka, kuan ba tumoy?
Mga ay kuan.
We go to the end of this place here.
Lipot dito? Puro eh. Atong sa highway?
Di balik rata ariyo. There's a lot of big area for sugarcane field. Are you tired? Are you tired?
Very tired.
Very tired. I'm not even tired. I need more and more. Pila, how many kilometers now we walk? Natatay ko aning ga? Ha? 30 minutes. It's good. For the first time. So we're gonna walk 1 hour. 30 more minutes. Oh, it's so nice, the breeze. So this place here, that's where we got our signal before when we first time live here in Kabulihan. This is where we got our signal. This is where we gonna hang out every afternoon and morning. This area here, because there's a fast signal in here. So it's like 5 to 10 minutes walking distance from our place. It depends how fast you walk. My husband that time, he's able to walk here because his back that time is not been disturbing to him. So we walk from our house to here, and we just having a quality time in here. So this is where we got our signal before. It's so nice, as you can see. He said, my sister said that we're gonna relax first. I'm so tired. Oh, are you Kapoy? Kapoy is tired. There's lots of banana here, guys. So we're going to the top, guys. So one of our neighbor is living here, so we're gonna visit their house. Tabi-tabi. So there's a little signal in this area here too. My sisters. Are you okay? She's a little bit tired. Oh, nice view, guys. Nice view. So this is the view from the top. So this house here, this belongs to my relative, but he's not living there. Maybe he's at work. He's working at the sugarcane field. Wala may agianan dira god. Saman? Asam ka mo ang dito paingon dito? Kaliso na katkaton. So my sister challenged me to go more at the top. So I'm gonna challenge her.
Easy na kayo?
Oh. See if who's the one. It's really hard because the soil is very slippery. Are you okay?
Biraha ko eh.
Uy, alala akong sapatos. My shoes na slide. We need to. As you can see this.
Agi ari oh.
Ato ka sa babaw.
Ari agi kay but since agi ya.
Okay. Oh, good thing that there's this tree here that we can hang. We can hang, sorry. We can hold. Sorry guys. We can hang. She wants me to pull here. Uy. Yes, very breathtaking view, guys. Oh, that's nice. We're at the top of the mountains. So my sisters have difficult time climbing in the mountains. We have really had a fun going here, and we're gonna do again and again. So it's nice. So it's what time now, Dominga?
12.
So we leave in our house around 10:56 in the morning, and it's already 12 in the afternoon. So how many hours?
1 hour.
No, it's not 1 hour. 10.
1 hour and a half.
1 hour and a half. Almost 2 hours. Almost 2 hours of walking and climbing, and it's so nice. Oh, it's really, as you can see the view, guys, it's really a stress reliever. So nice, you can see. So we're gonna go back home. We're gonna go down, and you need to be careful. My husband called Dominga dangerous, my sister. It's dangerous because before, when she was a kid, she always broke our plates when we were living there at in Cebu City. My husband called her dangerous, Dominga. How about now? How about now? You still dangerous? No more?
Yes.
So we're gonna go down. Need to take our time.
Tapi yung di ano eh. Magic.
Tama. Huwag siya makuha.
Video ba kape?
Sure eh. Yes, we need to be careful because it's very slippery, the soil. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching and for all the nice comment. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless us all.